Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who doesn't want birds to visit their balcony? So in today's video, I'm going to teach you three things. Number one, how to make your balcony the go-to spot for birds. Number two, how to prepare food from your kitchen leftovers. And number three, how much it costs to be a friend with a free bird. Stay tuned. Before starting this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's start. If you want to turn your balcony into a bird paradise, let's start with the basics. Head to your nearest store and look for bird seed mixes. It's an easy and affordable way to attract birds. And the good thing is it's not that expensive. You can get this within 3 euros and you can convert this amount into your currency rate. And these mixes have all the nutrients your bird need. In my case, I have so many nearby stores like DM, Mueller, Reve, and you can also get it from Amazon. Option number two, leftover from your kitchen. Cut some bread, tear into tiny pieces and scatter it into feeders so you can also sprinkle oats as I did in this video. If you have any overripe fruits like apples or berries, chop them up into small pieces and offer them to the birds. Just remember to remove any seeds or pits that could be harmful for your bird. By repurposing these kitchen staples, you can also create a feast for your furry friends without spending a fortune. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy the company of birds on your balcony and they get to enjoy your delicious meal free of charge. Make sure you avoid foods high in salt, sugar, or any additive. This could be harmful for the bird's health. Also, don't offer them any dairy products like cheese or milk. These are also not good for birds. Many birds cannot digest it. Stay away from caffeine and alcohol too. And if we talk about onion and garlic that are easily available in our kitchen that might add flavor to our meals, but they are very, very toxic for our bird's health. They really affect their red blood cells. So please try to avoid them. And if you talk about chocolate, so it's a very delicious treat for all of us. But please don't put this in your bird's meal. It contains theobromine and it's really toxic to your bird's health. And please keep in your mind that don't offer them any sort of junk food like pizza, chips, candy, because it's really high in fat. It's also really high in sugar, so it will lead to the obesity and other health problems in birds. Lastly, please avoid giving your birds any kind of plants or seeds from the nightshade family. For example, tomatoes, potatoes, or eggplants, because they are very toxic compounds and it's not good for your bird's digestive system. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.